Hello students, presenting here the textbook questions and answers for the Class 4 Science Chapter 1, Adaptations in Plants. I am sure you will get complete help from this video. Subscribe to the channel for more science chapters, textbook questions and answers and entire chapter question banks. A. Tick the correct answer. 1. Special features developed by plant to successfully live in their natural surroundings are known as A. Changes. B. New features. C. Adaptation. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is C. Adaptation. 2. Which of the following is an example of a desert plant? A. Pine. B. Fir. C. Cedar. D. Palm. The correct answer is D. Palm. 3. Which of the following shed their leaves in the winter? A. Evergreen trees. B. Deciduous trees. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Deciduous trees. 4. Which of the following is not found in the hills? A. Spruce. B. Fir. C. Pine. D. Pepper tree. The correct answer is D. Pepper tree. 5. Which of the following is a floating plant? A. Duckweed. B. Lotus. C. Tape grass. D. Water lily. The correct answer is A. Duckweed. B. Match the following. Column 1. 1. The natural home of a plant or an animal. 2. Plants that grow in water. 3. An aquatic plant. 4. Trees that bear cones. 5. A deciduous tree. Column 2. A. Conifers. B. Habitat. C. Banyan. D. Aquatic. E. Tape grass. Now let's match it. 1. The natural home of a plant or an animal matches with B. Habitat. 2. Plants that grow in water matches with D. Aquatic. 3. An aquatic plant matches with E. Tape grass. 4. Trees that bear cones matches with E. Conifers. 5. A deciduous tree matches with C. Banyan. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Cones. Lotus. Breathing. Hills. Teak. 1. Plants in the dash grow in extremely cold conditions. 2. Mangrove trees have dash roots. 3. Trees that grows in the hills have dash instead of flowers. 4. Dash is an example of an evergreen tree. 5. Dash is a fixed aquatic plant. 1. Plants in the hills grow in extremely cold conditions. 2. Mangrove trees have breathing roots. 3. Trees that grows in the hills have cones instead of flowers. 4. Teak is an example of an evergreen tree. 5. Lotus is a fixed aquatic plant. Answer the following questions. Short answer questions. 1. What is a habitat? Name the different land habitats. Answer. The natural home of a plant or an animal is called its habitat. Different land habitats are 1. Deserts. 2. Hills. 3. Marshes. 4. Plains. 5. Forests. 6. Grassland. 7. Coastal region. 2. Differentiate between terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Answer. Differences between terrestrial plants and aquatic plants are: terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Examples: mango tree, rose plant, pine tree, etc. Different terrestrial habitats are: desert, hills, marshes, plains, forests, grasslands and coastal regions. Aquatic plants. The plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Examples: water lettuce, water lily, water hyacinth, etc. Different aquatic plants are: floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. 3. What is transpiration? Answer. The process of losing water through the stomata of leaves is called transpiration. 4. What are breathing roots? Answer. The roots of some trees such as mangrove trees that grow in marshes do not get air under the soil. Hence, the roots grow above the soil to breathe. Such roots are called breathing roots. 5. Give 2 examples each of deciduous trees, evergreen trees, and aquatic plants. Answer. Deciduous trees, banyan tree, peepal tree. Evergreen trees, coconut tree, mango tree. Aquatic plants, water lily, water hyacinth. Now let's see the long answer questions. 1. What are the 2 adaptations needed by desert plants? Why does a cactus plant have spines and not leaves? Answer. Due to scarcity of water, the 2 adaptations needed by desert plants are: obtain water from the soil, prevent loss of water. The leaves of the cactus change into sharp spines to prevent loss of water through transpiration. 2. Discuss the adaptations present in a pine tree. Why are trees that grow in the hills referred to as conifers? Answer. The adaptations present in a pine tree are as follows. The conical shape of a pine tree helps the snow to slip off its branches easily. Thus, the tree can survive the cold conditions. The leaves of a pine tree are needle-shaped. They are tough and remain fresh and green even when it becomes very cold. They are adapted to survive in the cold. The trees that grow in the hills referred to as conifers because those trees have cones instead of flowers. 3. What are marshes? Mention the adaptations found in the plants growing in marshy areas. Answer. Marshes are the places that have clayey soil and plenty of water. Marshy land is always wet and clayey. It's a type of wetland, often found in low-lying areas near water bodies or along coastlines. In marshy soil, there are very little air spaces between the soil particles. So, roots of the plants growing here don't get enough air to breathe. Plants in the marshes have adapted so that their roots obtain fresh air through breathing roots. Do not get choked or rotten with water. 4. What are grasslands? Explain why grasslands are suitable for farming. Answer. Grasslands are large areas of land covered with grasses and wildflowers. The roots of grasses and small plants in grasslands make the soil rich and suitable for farming. They also bind soil together. 5. Describe the adaptations of fixed aquatic plants. Answer. The adaptations needed by an aquatic fixed plant. 1. Be able to float. 2. Get enough air and sunlight to make food. 3. Avoid getting damaged by flowing water. 1. Why can't a cactus grow in a marshy area? Answer. A cactus cannot grow in a marshy area because marshy soil is very wet and soggy, but cactus plants are adapted to live in dry, desert areas where there is very little water. If they are placed in marshy land, too much water will make the roots rot and the plant will die. 2. Terrestrial plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and keep the air clean. How do you think aquatic plants clean water? Answer. Aquatic plants absorb carbon dioxide from water and release oxygen, which helps fish and other animals breathe underwater. 3. Read the following paragraph carefully. The information regarding the two pictures given below is jumbled up. Fill in the details related to each of these pictures in the respective columns of the table. These trees grow in marshes. These trees have a conical shape. These trees have adapted so that their roots obtain fresh air and do not get choked with water. The conical shape of the tree helps the snow to slip off its branches easily. The roots of these trees do not get air under the soil and hence grow above the soil. The leaves of these trees are needle-shaped. The leaves are tough and remain fresh and green even when it becomes very cold. Such roots are called breeding roots. This tree is adapted to survive in the cold. It is an evergreen tree. The name of the tree in figure 1 is mangrove tree and figure 2 is a pine tree. Below are the adaptations in these trees. Mangrove tree. 1. These trees grow in marshes. 2. These trees have adapted so that their roots obtain fresh air and do not get choked with water. 3. The roots of these trees do not get air under the soil and hence grow above the soil. 4. Such roots are called breeding roots. Pine tree. 1. These trees have a conical shape. 2. The conical shape of the tree helps the snow to slip off its branches easily. 3. The leaves of these trees are needles-shaped. 4. The leaves are tough and remain fresh and green even when it becomes very cold. 5. This tree is adapted to survive in the cold. It is an evergreen tree.